Welcome. My screen looks a little trippy because I'm using OBS or Open Broadcaster Studio to record what I'm saying and doing on the computer. I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, and this can be a great tool for flipping your classroom. Please be aware this video assumes that you have downloaded, installed, and run the auto configuration for Open Broadcaster Studio. If you have not done those or have questions about that, please consult the written tutorial that is linked in the description for this video, and that covers the first 6 pages of the tutorial. This video begins on page 7 of that tutorial. The reason the screen looks a little trippy is because it is capturing my display, so it's essentially a mirror looking at a mirror, and that's why you get the weird look on the screen. This is essential, though, for setting up and capturing your screen, and this is called a display capture. You can see mine is already set up, and it would need to be, otherwise I couldn't record what I'm doing. But if I were doing this for the first time, I would hit the plus button, and I would select display capture. You'll be prompted to name the capture if you want. I usually just leave mine as called display capture, but if you would like to name it something else, you can, and then you would click OK. The next thing you will need to do is you need to mute the desktop audio, so that way any notifications or inbound email sounds are muted so that when you're recording, you don't hear those in the background. So I always mute the desktop audio. The next thing is you want to set up your microphone, and you click the gear to the right of microphone here and then go to properties. For most of you, that's probably going to be an internal microphone. However, I have an external microphone that I plug into the computer and I use. So if you have an external microphone, you would select external. Otherwise, it is going to be internal. And then when you're done, you can click OK. Notice that when your microphone is set up, you will see the sound waves generated in the screen, yellow and possibly red, as you are speaking. Once you are ready to start recording, there's a start recording button right here. Obviously, mine says stop recording. You can pause your recording at any time by clicking right here. And then when you're finished, of course, you will click stop recording. Once you have stopped your recording, it looks like nothing has happened. However, your files are saved in the video folder on your computer. To access that, you can either go to the File Explorer, or you can press the Windows button and E at the same time on your computer, and that will take you into the File Explorer. Notice that as soon as I go into another program, that trippy look disappears. Obviously, you can also minimize OBS at any time, and the trippy look will disappear as well. So from here, I am going to click on videos, and then I can see all of these files right here are OBS recordings. They have the day, the time, including minutes and seconds as part of the name of the recording. You can double click any of those videos to preview what they look like. GCSE teachers, you should be able to select VLC as your default player if you have any problems trying to play the video. But that's a brief overview of OBS. Again, that trippy look is only there when you are initially setting everything up. So as soon as I minimize this, I'm now recording my screen. So you only have a second or two of that trippy look once you hit start recording. As soon as you minimize it, that look is gone, and then it just records what is on your screen, and you're able to share that with students or with fellow teachers. If you have any questions about using OBS, please let me know, but I hope you can find a great use for this product.